welcome back to another Tuesday quick and easy video. Today I'm going to be making 3 spooky but very cute Halloween pillows with items from Dollar Tree and Walmart. All right guys, let's get started with the video. Okay, so my very first pillow is going to be Dracula, and all of my pillows are going to have the microfiber cloth, which is the cloth that you find at Dollar Tree that you use to wash your car with. I love using this cloth. It's very soft, so it's pretty usable for pillows. All right, so all of my pillows are going to have a front and a back. The front of the pillow is going to be the microfiber and the back is going to be a different color cotton material. So for this one, I decided to use black. You can totally use purple as well, but I decided on black for some reason. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my microfiber cloth in half, and then I'm going to cut a piece exactly the same size as my half here. Now I'm going to glue both fabrics together with hot glue. And it should look something like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Next, I'm going to measure and cut Dracula to fit on my pillowcase. So I am going to pretty much use most of the head, and I'm going to keep the arms. So I'm going to cut right around here. And I'm just going to turn it over and start gluing. Now, let's stuff it. Lastly, I'm going to be adding some googly that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to add some hot glue to the eyes that is already there. And I'm just going to place it right on top. Very easy. Yep. And there he is. Arrgh. Trying to be scary, but he's too cute. Love it. And now here I have my witch pillow, which pretty much was the same process as my Dracula pillow as far as gluing the fabrics together and stuffing it. The only difference here is that I have orange in the back to, you know, pretty much match the accents on the witch. And she's just laying there floating in the sky, scaring people. So what I'm going to do now is add a couple of things on her face, which are the googly eyes and her witch nose. I got this packet from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue it on. I'm going to stuff the nose with a little bit of fiber fill because in the packet it got smushed and it's just like close together and I need it to be open. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the fiber fill inside. Look at that nose. So cute. This is definitely not for comfort. These are decorative pillows. You cannot sit behind this pillow. All right, so the packet also came with this witch hat, and I am going to dispose of the hat, but I think I'm going to use this for a little bit of highlights. I think it will be cute. And here she is, cute as ever. For my third pillow, I'm going to be making a mummy pillow. And as you can see, for this one, I chose a lime green to match the eyes. And for this pillow, I have not glued the mummy on yet or stuffed it, because what I'm going to do is use this other kit from Dollar Tree, which has gauze and googly eyes. So what I want to do is place the actual gauze so it can look a little more realistic, and then this burlap ribbon that they have on top. So I'm going to glue the gauze on, and I'm also going to glue the googly eyes. And it should look something like this, much more realistic. And there he is, so not scary, but very, very cute. Alright guys, so here are my 3 Halloween pillows. They are not that scary, but they are very, very cute for this Halloween season. These are great to make with your children or your grandchildren or with your students if you are a teacher, but of course be careful with the hot glue because I got burned quite a few times as usual. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below which of the 3 is your favorite, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.